Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be sharing with you our experience starting our Amazon business. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining us. We just want to start off by saying that we are not financial advisors, and in this video we will not be giving you financial advice. We are simply just sharing our experience and sharing any tips that we have and just our journey of how we began our Amazon business.
So when we first started, we were very excited, and we mainly just wanted to do it because we wanted to learn and grow, and in the future get to work with companies and know more people, and mainly just have passive income.
Exactly, because we were thinking, why work for someone else and make them money when we can work for our own business and make our own hours, have our own schedule, live the life, right? Live the dream of having the business.
We had so many ideas and plans for our business.
And one of those ideas was Amazon FBA. So what Amazon FBA is you send your products to Amazon and they fulfill it to you, and that's what the FBA stands for, Fulfilled by Amazon. And so basically you just send your products and Amazon does all the work for you. Amazon ships it for you, Amazon puts it in a package for you, they send it for you, they basically do everything for you.
Yes, we applied to a lot of credit cards, business credit cards, and we got accepted, and then we got even more excited and started purchasing a lot of products like drawers and screen protectors, tumblers.
So this is where things started to get kind of bad and started going downhill. Nobody explained to us all the fees, all the charges that Amazon would be, charging us, how much it would cost. We weren't selling any products. We had our listing, everything was perfect. We invested so much, through Fiverr. We paid people to make the listing for us, to take pictures, do all these things. We started paying for advertising, which was not cheap at all. And, we ended up losing more money than what we're making.
So then we ended up closing our accounts because we were just not making any profit or enough.
And we just kind of basically learned, I guess, that this was going to be a long time type of thing for it to grow. Start off little and for it to grow. And a lot of people might think, oh well, that's how businesses are. But the thing is, all these videos that we saw on YouTube, all these people saying, how to start an Amazon business and how to do FBA, they made it look so simple. It just
sounded so easy.
So simple, so easy, and they never explain to you, how long it's gonna take, and just keep going through the rough times, and they tell you about how much roughly to invest, but it's not always the case. It's not always,
it's not the same for everyone.
It is not the same. It's always going to be different for someone, so it was just not a good deal for us. Now, because it didn't work out for us doesn't mean that it can't work out for you. It's like she was saying, how she was saying, it's going to be different for everyone.
Yeah, this is not to discourage you or to discourage your dreams. This is just our experience.
Exactly. And a business, it's always good. It's always good, but it's always going to take a lot of hard work, and it's always going to take time. And we had to learn that pretty much the hard way, and investing and losing a lot of money. But the good thing is, that we're learning, that we learned from that, that we're growing, and we're continuing, our business, doing other things, Amazon affiliates, we're doing other things as well. But we're going to be making videos in the future, about discussing, what else we could do, other sources of income that we actually can do, not just, simple things that they make it look simple, on YouTube, but it really isn't.
Yeah, so just do your research, before starting anything, just make sure you do research and make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. Yes. Make sure you know how much you're going to need to invest and wait.
Yeah, just be very, very patient. You know, don't get ahead of yourself. We got really excited, which is not a bad thing, but you know, I think we let our emotions take over where we didn't really think about it. Instead, we just acted upon it, and you know, that's where we kind of failed. But you know,
yes, because we bought a lot of things at once, right at the beginning. I think if you're gonna try something, just start off slow, try something out for a little bit. Don't spend your whole savings on it. Just try it out and see if it works. If it does, great, then you can invest more. If it doesn't, that way you didn't spend everything already. But
yeah, I agree. And like we said, you know, this is not to discourage you. You know, it's the opposite. You know, we want to encourage you. Keep going. Don't give up. You know, just be patient, and it will take time. But you know, anything is possible. Anything is possible, and we're gonna be helping you guys with whatever we can. You know, we're not professionals. We're not. You know, we don't have a multi-million-dollar business, you know, or 7-figure business. We don't have any of that, you know, but I know that it is possible. It just takes time, and it just takes work. It takes effort, you know, and it's all in your mindset. It's all in your mindset. I know after we lost all that money, you know, it was just a really big downfall for us, and very discouraging for us, you know. But you know, like I said, it just all depends on your mindset. You know, all the great people that have, you know, big businesses that you know, have multi-million businesses, you know, they started off little, they failed, you know, they had businesses that didn't, you know, make it, but you know, they learned through that, they pushed through that, and they kept going. And you know, they got a business that hit, you know, they got a business that grew, they got a business that expanded, and you know, it made it through. But you know, if you never try, you're never gonna know what's gonna happen or what could happen. You know, if you don't try, you know, you're always gonna live in that regret. So you just might as well try, you know, give it a try, and you never know.
Just be careful, be smart about it. Just keep trying, keep chasing your dreams, you know, and don't give up.
Exactly. So thank you guys again. We're going to be making more videos, and if you haven't seen all our other videos, you know, we're making review videos where we're starting to share, you know, our experience with you guys. And you know, if you guys want to join us on this journey, you know, go ahead and subscribe, comment on the videos. If you have any questions, like the videos, you know, that's really going to help us, you know, share these videos with other people as well. Like we said, we just want to share our experience. You know, we just want to help whoever we can with this. And you know, before anybody gets into debt, or you know, owes more money and all these things, you know, we want you to avoid it. You know, so we made that mistake, and we're showing you that way you don't have to make that same mistake. So thank you guys again. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.